Welcome to a better way of dieting with the personalized keto meal plan. This revolutionary diet not only aids in losing fat, but also ensures you reap the benefits of tasty, high-fat foods. With the keto diet, say goodbye to hunger cravings. It boosts your energy, keeps you proactive and helps shed fat regardless if you exercise or not. It's not just a weight loss diet, but a health diet that reduces your heart disease risk, boosts mental health and can even prevent type 2 diabetes. Our 8-week meal plan, based on the expertise of nutritionists, personal trainers, and chefs, ensures you make progress toward your dream figure. Your plan optimizes to your ideal calorie and macro intake, and includes ample food variety and delicious meals using mouth-watering recipes, providing you with crystal clear, step-by-step recipe instructions and a downloadable grocery list. This keto meal plan makes dieting enjoyable and long-lasting. People have seen results with this keto meal plan, but we go a step ahead. We offer a robust and straightforward 100% satisfaction guarantee. You can try the custom meal plan risk-free and, if unsatisfied, enjoy a full refund. Get your custom keto meal plan and kickstart the journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. How much fat do you want to shed? How eagerly do you want to enhance your health? Join us at your custom plan and take control over your health and figure.